Buzzing sound issues in Dolby Atmos on Windows 11 and Windows 10 can stem from various factors, like audio driver compatibility. Incompatibility between Dolby Atmos and the audio drivers installed on your system can cause buzzing or distortion. To address these issues, you can try the following solutions.
Open Settings. Click on System. Click on Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. In playing audio, press Run. First, open Start and type Settings. Wait for your audio to be repaired. If that didn't work,